The Christian wants to protect heritage, correct or no? The Muslim protects heritage. The Jew protects heritage. The Sikh protects heritage. The Hindu protects heritage. There's not a human being in this world who heritage is not a common concept for them. You go to the Hindu or the Sikh, there are certain heritage sites they'll maintain. Go to the Christians, they'll take you to the Vatican and say it has to be maintained. Go to the Jews, their whole fight is about protection of a heritage site in an area in the Middle East. Therefore, when we're talking about heritage at the beginning, the etymology of the word heritage is what? Is that which I've inherited. And that my role in life is to ensure the way that I inherited this, I must make sure it reaches the next generation as well. I've inherited what came to me with Sayyidah Zainab, with Jannat Al Baqee, because people lost their lives to make sure it reached me. If it means that I have to give everything up so that I preserve that heritage, then so be it. We have to do it. And that's why Imam Sadiq, and I haven't even gone into the main theological discussion, that's why Imam Sadiq has a phenomenal line in his dua for the Zuwar of Imam al-Hussein alayhi salam. Yes? All of you here, may Allah bless you to perform the ziyarah of Abu Abdullah. Yes? Imam al-Sadiq alayhi salam has a phenomenal line. You know, now I'm telling you that you may have to lose your hands and your feet to preserve heritage. Some of you may turn around to me and say, I don't think that Imams will like that I lose my life to preserve heritage. Imam al-Sadiq has a dua which is called the dua of Zuwar al-Hussein alayhi salam. In this dua, he wrote the dua purposely for those who go to visit Abu Abdullah, yes, in the most dangerous of times, yes? That they don't leave Karbala alone when it's dangerous. How many of you here, when people have told you, go and visit Karbala to preserve the heritage of Karbala, how many of you, hand of heart, said, but I heard Iraq's dangerous? Yes? There are many who will say, oh, I heard it's really dangerous. I heard we can end up dying. Imam Sadiq turns this whole thing around by showing how important heritage is like Karbala. Do you know what he says? اللهم اغفر لي ولإخواني ولسوار قبر أبي عبد الله الحسين عليه السلام. Oh Allah, forgive me and forgive my brothers and forgive those who make the ziyarah of Abu Abdullah. الذين أنفقوا أموالهم, those who spent out of their wealth to visit him. وأشخصوا أبدانهم, not just they spent out of their wealth, they even put themselves in danger just to visit him. Yeah?